Since January 3, 2023, our system ranks Meta as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.563. If you were following our analysis, you would have had an amazing gain of 42.63% since we first told you to buy Meta 27 days ago. This is an average return of 1.58% per day since first recommended. In our daily updates for Meta, our last headline reads, Meta stock price ended on $177.92 on Thursday after losing 3%. The Meta stock price fell by -3% on the last day, Thursday, February 9, 2023, from $183.43 to $177.92. It has now fallen 3 days in a row. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 5.29% from a day low at $177.27 to a day high of $186.65. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 20.79% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 1 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning, and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 37 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $6.57 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $236.86, and the lowest price was $88.09. Right now the price is 24.88%, or $58.94, below 52-week high, and 53.71%, or $206.41, below all-time high September 1, 2021, where the price hit $384.33. The stock lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within the trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible 47.39% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between 20.3% and 60.43%. The 12-month trend indicates a -35.30% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -77.66% and -30.62%. This equals a price between $39.75 and $123.45 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. From analysts, Meta stock received a general buy rating. The analysts give PE ratio a strong buy and price to book a strong buy rating. For the return on investment, the analysts give the stock a neutral rating. The following signals have been found for Meta. The Meta stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. At the same time, however, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal in the stock, giving a positive forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will meet resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $181.06. On a fall, the stock will find some support from the long-term average at approximately $141.64. A breakup through the short-term average will send a buy signal, whereas a breakdown through the long-term average will send a sell signal. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 7, 2023, and so far it has fallen -7.15%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning, and the stock should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 20 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 2 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 50 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 48 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 30 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 23 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 19 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for Meta. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $153.12 and $151.74. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock then may fall to the next support level. In this case, Meta finds support just below today's level at $153.12. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $151.74 and $136.71. This stock may move very much during the day, volatility, and with a very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. This stock is considered to be very high risk. During the last day, the stock moved $9.38 between high and low, or 5.29%. For the last week, the stock has had daily average volatility of 5.02%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for Meta. The price-to-earnings ratio, P/E ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. Meta currently has a price-earning ratio of 14.05. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, Meta meets first resistance at $186.53. If you do not hold Meta shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, Meta finds first level of support at $153.12, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. The average ratings combined from several analyst sources for Meta is buy. Here are some of the latest insider trades. The 5 latest insides trades have been done by Neusta Jennifer, whom have bought and sold 1,710 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 latest insides trades, we have calculated the insider power to be negative at a ratio of -33.185. In total, the insiders bought 97,893 and sold 196,621 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is $169.84, minus 4.54%. This stock has very high daily movements, and this gives very high risk. The RSI 14 is 73, and this increases the risk substantially. There is a sell signal from a pivot top found 2 days ago. Is Meta stock a buy? Several short-term signals, along with a general good trend, are positive, and we conclude that the current level may hold a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Meta stock to perform well in the short term. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is undervalued. For the trading on Friday 10th, we expect Meta to open up $2.69 and start trading at $180.61. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to